Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, straight to the point. I want to answer the 7 question. Number one, I think phonetics is important to understand because phonetics give us knowledge about the basic of language, namely sound. How we will understand a language if we don't start from the basics? Maybe many people say there's no need to learn. Just talk to a native speaker, then we will master the language by itself. But that's not the point. The point is how we can learn and teach it to others. Number two, yes, I agree because if only the definition from the linguist, there are maybe some people who find it difficult to understand because the language is fairly difficult, while the definition from the online source is easy to understand because it uses easy language to understand. Number three, phonetics is study and classification of speech sound and their production and representation by written symbols. And from the references I took are from the online dictionary from oxforddictionaries.com is the study and classification of speech sound. From your dictionary.com, phonetics is the study of the sound of human speech using the mouth, throat, nasal, and sinus cavities and lungs. From the linguist Becker A. and Biswanger 2004. Phonetics is concerned with the wide variety of sound used by speakers of human language. From Nordquist 2016, phonetics is the branch of linguistics that deals with the sound of speech and their production, combination, and representation by written symbols. Number four, a set of distinctive sounds produced when people speak in a particular language. So speech sounds is plainly pronounced by speakers' language. And there is 2 types of sound. One, segmental sound or basic sound that construct language. Segmental sound contain 2 things, consonants and vowel. The second is suprasegmental sound. That is accessories of language or complement like stress and junction. That is a definition for speech sounds. Number 5 is with phonetics. Number 5 is how do people transcribe, write down, record the sound? The answer is with phonetics and universal system for transcribing speech sounds consistently and accurately. This system is famously known as International Phonetics Alphabet or IPA, and not only transcribed but also provided symbols to represent sounds of every language in the world. Number 6, what is organ speech? Organ speech is organs used by humans to produce sound. Some of it are tongue, lips, teeth, oral cavity, and nasal cavity. Number 7, what is speech sound production? Speech sound production is process to produce sound. Speech sound produced by using articulatory, which is initiated from flowing the air provided by the lung. It's modified by the vocal tract or vocal apparatus into different qualities. Speech sounds production has 3 things. First is place of articulation, the place of sound like bilabial, dental, and alveolar. Second is manner of articulation, how sounds produced like stop, nasal, and glide. And third and the last is distinctive feature. If the place of articulation and the manner of articulation are the same, then we use distinctive like voiced and voiceless. Maybe that's all from me. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.